How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, and right now we're on the website of CreditScoreIQ, and I will put a link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource. And when it comes to CreditScoreIQ, you can get the credit that you deserve, so you don't have to wait for the future. You can start right now disputing your credit report with AI-powered software, and that's what you're going to get with CreditScoreIQ. It's going to be disputing made easy. You don't have to be afraid to dispute because disputing does not harm your credit score. Folks, 1 in 3 people have inaccuracies on their credit report. So you're not alone. Most people have bad credit. A lot of people, not to say most people, a lot of people have bad credit. 20-point increase in 1 month. You may be able to increase your credit score by at least 20 points in 30 days. Catch this, folks. 60% of people were able to have inaccurate information corrected after filing a dispute. So if you want to be able to get that home that you want, if you want to get that car that you want at a decent rate, start working on your credit right now. With the Credit Score IQ, you're going to have access to Score Center. Score Center is where you can view your latest credit scores from all 3 of the major bureaus, and you can set your credit score goals. You also have access to the Dispute Hub. We make it easy to dispute those negative items on your credit report. Our Dispute Hub generates custom dispute letters for each credit bureau and tracks your progress. Folks, this is powerful. Track your progress. So it's easy to keep track of your dispute letters and the responses you receive from the credit bureaus all in one location. Again, you get access to 3 bureau credit scores and reports, AI-driven interactive credit analysis, as well as unlimited dispute generation. Be sure to click on the link in the description field of videos and bring directly to this resource. And that's Credit Score IQ. And to meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.